Hi students, good morning. Welcome to our computer class. Let's start the class. Today we are going to learn some interesting topics from charts in Microsoft Excel 2010 in chapter 4. In this slide, we are going to see the topics of today's class learning. First one is charts. Second one is components of charts. Third one is types of charts. Fourth one is creating charts. Fifth one is changing the chart type. And sixth one is changing the chart style. First we are going to see charts. A chart is nothing but a pictorial representation of numeric data is called a chart or graph. So chart, it allow you to visually display data in a variety of different chart formats. It is easy to create a chart. A chart is a one kind of powerful tool. Here's some advantages. So user can create various types of charts in which the data is displayed in the graphical formats. So charts is nothing but it display the information in the graphical, that is pictorial representation, that we call graph or charts. Next they having components of chart. So first one is plot area, second one is value axis, third one is category axis, fourth one is data points, fifth one is chart area, and sixth one is legend. Come, let's see one by one. See this diagram. First one is plot area. Plot area indicates a rectangular area. So here the two axes where the chart is plotted, that indicates the plot area. Then y-axis or value axis indicates vertical axis. Vertical axis indicates y-axis. Then horizontal axis indicates x-axis. And legend means it is a unique color or pattern. It indicates unique color. See, so here the unique color, it indicates unique color. Then chart area includes all the objects of the chart, that is a chart area. Next we are going to see the types of chart. First one is column chart, line chart, pie chart, bar chart, scatter chart. First one is column chart. In column chart, it indicates vertical bar with the axis value. So the vertical bar indicates column chart. It is a graphical objects used to represent the data in your Excel sheet. You can use the column chart when you want to compare values. Second one is line chart. Line chart, use the line chart if you have text, labels, dates, or a few numeric values on the horizontal axis. See, horizontal axis indicates line chart and vertical axis indicate column charts. Third one is pie chart. It displays data in the circular graph. See here it indicates the data in the circular format, that is called pie chart. Bar chart. Next one is bar chart. Display certain types of information such as changes in size. Bar chart can be horizontal or vertical in Excel. The vertical position is referred as a column chart. I already said the vertical option. See here, the vertical option is referred as a column chart. And last type is scattered chart. Scattered chart means they contain pairs of values. So the pairs of values indicate the scattered format. See here, so green color 2 pair of values and rose color they having 2 pairs value, then all the colors having 2 pair values, so that is the scattered chart. Now we are going to see how to create a chart. So the table contains rows and values. In the Excel sheet, it can be easily for creating different kinds of charts in Excel. Let us learn how to create a chart on the worksheet. See the step 1. Select the cells within the table, and step 2, click Insert tab, and step 3, select the chart type, and step 4, select the chart subtype. Come, let's see the steps for creating the charts. In first step, you have to select the cells. Here the cells means, see, so the name is a one cell and English is one cell, Max, computer. So these are all one cells. In first step, you want to select the cell within the table. So within the table, you have to select the cell. How you select this cell? In the mouse, double click of the text. After select the text, click Insert tab. Here the Insert tab is there. In the Insert tab, you select the type of charts in the chart group. See, if I click here means, if I click chart group, they having so many pop-up menu will be appeared. In that pop-up menu, they having so many types of charts. So in the charts, you can select any one. Here I'm selected this option, that is 3D column I selected. If I click, that means see the changes. See, my bar chart is appeared like this. So they having some designs. So in the in this chart you can see the marks, the name of the students marks. So the English color is light ash color, then this one is Max color, then blue is computer color. So this indicates the charts. So this is the way you have to change the chart, creating the chart. Now we are going to see how to change the chart type. Step 1, click the chart, and step 2, click change chart type, and step 3, select chart type, and step 4, click OK button. First, you select the cells within the table, then click Design tab. After click the Design tab, see they having so many chart option will be appeared. Okay, see these are all the chart type. Click select any one. Here I am selected this one. So if I click means, so this the new type will be appeared. In step 2, after click the Design tab, they having so many options will be appeared. In that option you can select anyone. For example, you need column, or you need line chart, or you need pie chart or bar chart. They having so many options there. So which one you select, which one you like. Here I'm like column, so I'm selected the column. If I selected the column means the column column chart will be appear displayed. Here I am selected this one and click OK button. Here I am selected pie chart. Here I am selected pie chart. Click the pie chart and click the OK button. The pie chart will be displayed and pie chart will be applied. Next we are going to see how to changing the chart style. In step 1, click the chart, and step 2, click more button, and step 3, click the required styles. Here first you select the same procedure followed in the followed here also. So in first step, first you select the cells within the table and click the Design tab. If you click the Design tab, they having so many kinds, they having varieties of kinds of pie chart. Then if you click the bar chart means they having so many bar charts will be appeared in this chart, in that bar chart, which one you liked. For example, I liked this one, so I'm selected. If I'm click means, so the charts will be displayed in the Excel sheet. You see the gallery of different styles. Click the style you like to apply on your chart.